right. The other one's swimming slowly over here. See him? I love it. Okay. All right. I wonder if he's going for the bird.
Well, maybe he's going for us, John.
No, he'd get that bird first. They love birds. Oh, he's thumping his nose.
Doing what?
He was thumping his nose. I wonder what that means. I know I can't either because the sun is right there. So how big is this? About 9 foot? No, he's bigger than 9. Hi, handsomes. Got a bird right there. You figure if that bird's not scared, look at him. This is so cool. But you see how chill they are?
Sure.
Like they're just so used to people being around them. As long as you don't mess with them, they don't really care. On Tuesday we're going to Gatorland.
Jesus.
Yeah, I see one over there. Going in the grass. You're so funny. I love it.